Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Today we're going to be looking at 579 Vista Lane, just hitting the market for $399. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are, and 579 Vista. This one is on the corner. So we've got Vista Lane, and this is Dream Street. So we're going to be looking at this home right here. I'm going to walk up this direction first. Kind of look at the lot lines. One thing to note, this downstairs basement is on title, but it is not on title as a bedroom bathroom. So important thing to note that has been refinished without permits. So coming up here, we've got the gate right here to get into the backyard. A nice little squirrel. And right here's the back of the property line. So fully fenced in the back. One thing to note, this is kind of why we mostly do not have gutters in Big Bear, because that happened. It's kind of coming down just because the ice is a bit too heavy. So you do have storage underneath a little bit. And then I'm gonna show you the property line over here first before we set foot in. So the lake is gonna be maybe 3/4 mile to get to. From here, you would just walk down Vista, hang a left, and then kind of stay left, and you'll just run into Lakeview Drive. So that's great. Village takes about 3-4 minutes to get to. Property line is somewhere right around here, because I can see the fence line right there. So this one does have a check-in today. And looking at their sign, it's for 3 people and 1 car. So 1 car to me means only 1 bedroom is permitted. And the square footage is going to come off the upstairs too. So that's going to be about 600 square foot, and the downstairs about 300 square foot. So coming up, we have quite a bit of snow. Can't really tell, but I believe it is a wood decking. I don't think it is Trex decking. Nice fence that they've done, or like kind of railing that they've done all around. Snow gear outside, and the exterior is painted really nice too. It seems like that has been recently done, and I love the color. It's kind of like a hunter green. And then another thing to note, you have this beautiful pine tree, and we just got a fresh layer of snow. So let's go inside. Okay, so coming inside, I'm gonna close the door since it's so cold out there. Kind of like a long hallway right in front of us. Living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, exterior, and then we will go take a look at the downstairs too. So you might be saying, just like me, wow, this is gorgeous, because it is gorgeous. They have done a very good job, and you can see why this would be an excellent rental. Nice, clean floors. These are updated. These are laminate hardwood floors, but feel like a little bit nicer of a quality, or maybe just the quality of the job that they did was so good. I love also the flat white wall. They really did a good job, because I do believe this house at one point in time in its recent past had paneling. Another thing to note, we do have grids in the windows. They are dual pane, and they do have nice blinds on them too. So here we are in the living room. They've got two chairs and a couch. I could definitely stay here for the weekend. Or potentially live here. Here we have, it's kind of their TV space. And here's just a few of their appliances, which is a kind of a unique, nice thing to do, to get all these things kind of out of the way and off the counters and leave the counters really clear. We do have, you can see that it is a vacation rental there because they give you the Wi-Fi codes. Dining room, so it's nice. I mean, it really seats 6 in here. We've got 4 here, 2 at the countertop. This is quartz. Nice black, gray, white coloring. Good light in here as well. And then beautiful lighting. Underneath here, we've got cabinetry, but they do have these locked. It's probably just like an owner kind of closet. The cabinetry is very nice, slow close, and flows very well. And then we've got a mini stove here. Probably could have, probably did fit a dishwasher in here. It's a little mini dishwasher, just apartment size. And all of their stuff, you know, black accent pieces. Did a really good job. This is fun. I'm very curious. That is a really unique knife set on how things fit in there. Pretty cool. This has like a film to it, just so that you know, I guess maybe so it's easier to clean, would be my guess. So, more cabinets. Lots of storage for living here full time. And then here we have the fridge, freezer. Everything is labeled. Very nice. Nice chandelier. And then here we have the fireplace. Beautiful brick, oversized fireplace. It does seem that they have painted it. It looks like there's some red underneath the black. I prefer the black. I think it looks very mountain modern look, especially when you have it with the wood mantle, live edge mantle. And then also we've got our gas starter, as you know, right here. So weird when I look at the camera, I'm not pointing at what I'm pointing at. All right, so coming in, one more thing to note. We do have a Nest thermostat. So we're gonna come into the bedroom. Here's all their rules and regulations. No street parking, no loud music. Looks like they have probably a queen bed right here. Might be able to get slightly bigger mattress if you wanted to. It does look like there's a trundle underneath because remember the home sleeps 3 people and that's just for upstairs. Here's our sliding barn door. Closet. And remember this, on the other side of this wall is the fridge. So here we have the attic space. I'm gonna not go up there right now. And then we've got the master bathroom right here. So coming in, we've got same kind of cabinetry, a little bit, actually that is the same color as the kitchen one. Same countertops and pretty high ceilings. I would say probably about 8 foot or so. Toilet. And then the shower. So subway tile, like oversized subway tile, and hexagon in the shampoo box. We've also got, if you heard that, cast iron tub. And it does have a fan in there. So coming out the back, I'm not going to be able to go too far because I am in my socks at this point. We've got a little 3-person hot tub right here, little exterior lights. You can see it's fully fenced, and we kind of saw that outside part of the fence too, and a little shed. This, I do believe, I was here the other day and I want to say it's wood underneath all this. No, I'm not sure if you can tell. Might be Trex, but we'll have to find out. So this one is a very successful vacation rental. One reason for that is that there's, you know, not a huge amount of homes that are for just couples, you know, or couples with a kid. So typically it rents really well when it's a very cute one like this, and it is a 1-bedroom. All right, so let's go downstairs now. All right, so coming downstairs, don't laugh if I fall. I mean, there is a lot of snow, and we have more on the way too. So that is something to get excited about. All right, so down here we do have concrete pad. We have also footprints. Looks like there was a critter around here. Storage for trash. And entering inside the door, we have like a kind of like a little living room right here, and a queen size bed with built-in storage. Do have a window, so it's finished off rather nicely. They did a very good job with it down here. This is probably only at about 6 feet. So one, if they were tall enough, could hit their head. Recessed lighting. Storage container. Some shelving, kind of just cheap shelving. But you do have central heating down here, it looks like. Laundry. This is going to go underneath the house. This is where you're going to be able to access your plumbing. And all the creepy things. You do have a fridge down here. And then the bathroom. So the bathroom is kind of like, I don't want that to make too much noise, but this is like an RV shower. So it does step up. The drain is built under. It goes out that direction. Again, you cannot be too tall and be down here. I can do it because I'm shorter than the ceiling. What's plugged in here? I don't know what that is. So if anybody knows what that is, let us know in the comments. But there we have it. Vista Lane on the market for $399, and for both square footages from up is probably in the 600 range, and down below somewhere in the 3s. Let me know what you think. Bye.